Stuck with the wrong local channels or getting a playback area error? In 2026, YouTube TV is more strict than ever. But don't worry, I have the fix. Most location issues happen because your TV and your phone aren't communicating their GPS data correctly. This GPS handshake is essential for verifying your current playback area and unlocking your local sports and news. Step 1. We need to trigger the update on your TV first. This works for Roku, Fire TV, and all smart TVs. Open the YouTube TV app on your TV. Use your remote to tap your profile picture in the top right. Scroll down and go to Settings. From here, we're looking for the Area menu. Select Area and look at your current playback area. If it's incorrect or says unknown, we need to fix it. Hit that update button. Your TV will now wait for a signal from your smartphone to confirm where you are. Now, step 2 is the critical part. You must use a mobile device that has a physical GPS chip, your phone. On your smartphone, open your browser and go to tv.youtube.com/verify. Make sure you're signed in to the exact same Google account that you use on your television. You must click Allow when it asks for your location permissions. This is where most people fail the verification. If your phone is on a VPN, turn it off now. YouTube TV detects virtual locations and will block the update immediately. Once your phone says area updated, the handshake is complete. Your TV should refresh its location within seconds. If it doesn't refresh automatically, don't panic. Just force close the YouTube TV app on your TV and restart it. Still seeing the error? Let's troubleshoot the 3 most common reasons why the mobile verification fails in 2026. First, check your phone's system settings. Ensure your browser actually has permission to access your GPS data. If you accidentally hit block before, go to your browser settings and clear your location permissions for YouTube TV. Also, ensure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. This helps the handshake process move much faster. Remember the check-in rules. You must verify from your home area once every 3 months to keep your account active. If you're a sports fan watching MLB or NFL, that check-in window might be as short as 30 days for local blackouts. If everything looks right but it's still failing, check Down Detector. Sometimes it's a server-side issue with Google. Follow these steps and you'll be back to your local channels in no time. It's the fastest way to sync your 2026 playback area. To recap, disable your VPN, start the update on your TV, verify via GPS on your phone, and refresh the app. If this helped you fix your YouTube TV location, hit that like button